We're installing our screens. This is, what's today, August 2nd? And this one here, it's in good at the bottom. This side here, it's a little bit loose top to bottom, but the top of the screen bows down like so. And there's just, I don't know if you can see right there, that I put the screen all the way back and that pin, the screen hangs down. See, I can almost get a finger in between there. The screen is not tall enough. It's tall enough on that end, that side over there, but this side is shorter. And right here, it just bows down, and this pin will not go up in any farther. It needs to go way up there, but then it brings it up off the bottom for the bugs to get in on the bottom. So, something's wrong with this screen. Okay, that top is bowed down so much that the pins won't go into the top. Actually, the one at the other side will a little bit, but this side will not. You can't see it very good from here. When you get like this, you can see it's bowed way down, and it makes it so that this pin right here doesn't go up into the groove, and it just flops back and forth. I'm going to try to straighten it, but I just wanted you guys to see what I'm working with, because I hope it, yeah, so far I've managed to straighten one and got it to work, but I hate doing it because this aluminum is very flimsy and I'm worried about breaking one. I shouldn't have to do this. They should be straight. This is the second one. I'm going to try to fix it right now, but I just want you guys to see what it looked like beforehand, so that if it breaks, I'd still like to be reimbursed, or get a new screen. If I can make it work, great, but I want you guys to see what I'm working with. This is the other thing I'm dealing with, trying to get the screens in. The screen has to set all the way back into that corner right there, so I got to get something to cut that out of there before the screen will fit in. I straightened the screen. This is the one, the third one in. It was the worst out of them. I think the screen will work now, but I got to get that stuff cut out of there. It's August 2nd. Judy and I are working on putting on window screens. And the ones we're doing right now are on the walkout basement side. She's getting ready to lift me up in the telehandler. We put a couple of them in already. Okay, we got the two in the master bedroom installed down there. We're not doing that one with the arch top just yet. We're doing that little one there, which is the laundry room, and then that's a spare bathroom over there next to it. We're doing the little one first, and then the one after that will be that one over there, the spare bathroom where there's a 12-foot tub, so she can soak in that and look out over everything out there. Everything's still a mess out here. We haven't been able to manicure anything out here lately, but we're making headway. Gotta go, it's starting to sprinkle. Okay, she's getting me up here. Yeah, it's starting to rain a little bit harder. Looks like this might be the last screen I put in for now. Okay, time to put the screen in. Hey guys, hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please subscribe. Tell your friends about it. Maybe they'll subscribe too if they like what they see. And hit that little thumbs up button when you get a chance. We'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.